the history of the Roman Empire is replete with a colorful array of emperors, each leaving their unique mark on the annals of time. One such emperor whose reign stands out for its eccentricity and controversy is Elagabalus. Born as Marcus Aurelius Antoninus in 203 AD in the Roman province of Syria, he became known by the name he adopted as emperor, Elagabalus, after the Syrian sun god Elagabalus. In this video, we will delve into the life and times of this enigmatic figure, whose brief reign from 218 to 222 AD left a lasting impression on the Roman Empire. Elagabalus came from a relatively obscure background. He was the grandson of Julia Maesa, who had been a sister of the Roman Empress Julia Domna, and his family had connections to the Severan dynasty. In 218 AD, at the age of 14, he was declared emperor, following the assassination of Macrinus, the previous ruler. His ascent to the throne was orchestrated by his grandmother, Julia Maesa, who sought to restore her family to power. Despite his young age, Elagabalus became the ruler of the vast Roman Empire. One of the most remarkable aspects of Elagabalus's reign was his devotion to the Syrian sun god, Elagabalus, from whom he took his name. He introduced radical religious reforms, attempting to elevate the cult of Elagabalus to the highest position in the Roman pantheon. To this end, he moved the sacred stone of the god from Emesa to Rome, where it was established as the chief deity of the empire. This marked a significant departure from traditional Roman polytheism, and it was met with resistance from the Roman religious establishment and the Senate. Elagabalus's religious fervor extended to his own actions. He was known for engaging in extravagant and scandalous religious ceremonies, often dressing as a priest and conducting rituals that were considered shocking and offensive by Roman standards. These actions further alienated him from the traditional elites of Rome and fueled a sense of moral outrage. Elagabalus's eccentricity wasn't limited to his religious practices. He was notorious for his extravagant lifestyle and debauched behavior. His actions ranged from cross-dressing to engaging in homosexual relationships, and he was often criticized for his perceived effeminate behavior. He married several women during his reign, and some suggest these unions were politically motivated rather than genuine expressions of love. The scandalous behavior of the emperor scandalized the conservative Roman elite and added to his unpopularity. The combination of Elagabalus' religious reforms, eccentric behavior, and lavish spending habits created a climate of political instability and dissent within the Roman Empire. His actions also antagonized the traditional Roman aristocracy, who perceived his reign as a threat to their social and political status. Opposition to Elagabalus grew, and he faced several assassination attempts during his reign. In 222 AD, a group of conspirators led by members of the Praetorian Guard successfully assassinated Elagabalus. His cousin Alexander Severus, who was only 13 years old at the time, was proclaimed the new emperor. Elagabalus's brief but tumultuous reign came to an end. Elagabalus's reign is remembered as one of the more chaotic and unconventional periods in Roman history. The controversy surrounding his religious reforms, eccentric behavior, and disregard for traditional Roman customs have made him a subject of historical interest and debate. Some historians argue that he was a victim of historical bias, with his unconventional behavior exaggerated or misrepresented by those who sought to discredit him. Despite the controversies and chaos, Elagabalus's reign did leave some lasting influences. His religious reforms, while short-lived, represent an attempt to reshape the Roman religious landscape. Additionally, his ascension at a young age and reliance on powerful advisors, like his grandmother Julia Mesa, are reflective of the broader political intrigues that characterized the later years of the Severan dynasty.